wanted to show off an exhibit we built, I think, more than 15 years ago. But it's really simple and effective, and it's just this theme table. You know, and this one's South American themed, but it could be, you know, it could be North American, it could be Africa, it could be anything. But, you know, give us a call and we'll make you these sort of simple exhibits. Kind of gives you some privacy for kids to have puzzles and so forth. Just a really simple but effective exhibit, and it's been in here, I think, well over 15 years. And then we also built the meerkat exhibit, and how fun is this? Look, he's out today. Check him out. What a cool dude.
I wonder if his name is Timon. Hi, little buddy. He waved everybody on Facebook Live. Oh, there's another one down there.
So once again, we did the enclosure and the mural. So just wanted to share a few more Taylor-built things. Come see the zoo.